Hey guys, so I know it's
See nothing. Away. I'm there.
I know it's shout out today, but I can't do them because I've been trying to figure it out and I can't. I don't know. I'll figure it out one day. Okay, so I am doing my fidget spinner collection, and I'll show you the very first one I got. And this is one that I love because it lights up. It's really cool, but it's cooler in real life, like, no joke. See? There, now it's awesome and amazing. The second one I got, it's like broken already, it's dumb, is this yellow one. And I really like it because the black specks, the black and the yellow go really good together. Yeah. Next one, this is also broken, but you can still spin it. Is this red one. See, it's broken. And then the fourth one I got is from my Danielle, and I really like this one. It is pink. Woo-hoo. And I really like the black sides because black and pink go together. And it's amazing. Like, this is not a crappy one. And then also my favorite I got yesterday. Whoop whoop. I got from my dad. It's amazing. It has stars on it, as you can see.
Yes, I'm still watching. They always ask me if I'm still watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.